If you own or plan to own an approximately 10 to 15-year-old Mercedes, you need to be aware of these wheel bolts here. They're not your standard hex wheel bolt. The reason I'm bringing this up is not necessarily you, the owner, having to deal with them. It's a wheel shop. You've heard me talk about wheel shop problems before. Here's another one. This is what the head of these wheel bolts look like. Look at that. That is a 6-point splined head. And the first time you see one of these, you think, well, is that a security lug bolt? Do they have a special wrench in the glove box like we used to have in the old days? No, it just takes a special socket. Now, here's where the interesting thing comes in. If you take a 6-sided standard 17 millimeter wheel bolt socket, look at this. It'll go on there just like that. So what happens is you take your car into a wheel shop, they're not going to have the right socket because there is a special socket, which is a 6-point, like you see here. So they both fit. And you say, well, what's the big deal? You know, if the standard 17 millimeter works, why bother having a special socket? Most wheel shops aren't going to have the socket. Let me show you what happens if you think you can just get by with one of these. This is a different wheel. This is a wheel on a 2014 GLK. And you look at these, they're more prominent, sticking out. And you thought, oh, those don't look too bad. But if you start looking closer, you're going, oh, what about that? So let's check this out. Let's take the standard wheel socket and put it on here. Okay, it goes in, goes in. Oh, that doesn't go in very good. This one doesn't go in at all, and this one goes in fine. So we've got two of these wheel bolts that are damaged. You want to know why they get damaged? It's because someone has used this socket on an impact wrench. It's the impact. Even though these fit on and you can get the bolt on and off, if you take a heavy impact to it, it's going to bend those edges. So then you can't get the standard socket on. You can't even get this socket on. So can you imagine if this happens out on the freeway, you have a flat tire and you need to get out and change it? Well, if you have one of these wheels with this type of lug bolts, you might want to check them all out because you want to make sure they're all in good condition when you're out on the road. So how am I going to get these off? Since these are already damaged, I don't care about saving them. I just want to get them off. So I'm going to have to take the standard 6-sided socket and see if I can tap it on. Oh man, this one is really bad. Now I'm not going to drive it all the way on because it's going to have a hard time getting it off. But I'll drive it on about halfway and then I'll get a breaker bar. Okay. Now what I do before I turn this all the way out, I'm going to want to get the socket off. Well, it came off okay. So let's pull this out and you can see what has happened here real easily. You can see the damage caused by a standard socket and impact. If you don't have the special socket, then do not use an impact at all if you're working on your own wheels with these bolts, but I recommend you get the special socket. Take a look. So what's happened is it's been damaged with an impact, and then somebody has driven this socket on to get these wheels on and off a couple of times here. So I've got a new bolt. In fact, we're going to install 2 of these. And when we put them in, I don't like to use impact anyway. We'll take and use the correct socket and get a torque wrench and torque these to the right torque setting for this wheel. And we'll do the same on this one. And then I'll go around the rest of the car and check all the other bolts. So if you have a Mercedes with this style of wheel bolt. Pick up one of these sockets. I do carry them on my website. Just keep it in the car. If you take your car into a tire shop to have them change your tires or fix a flat, you walk right up to the service manager and say, buddy, I want you to use this socket right here.